Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Elila if you don't know already. In today's video, we're going to be trying on the perfect flowy bohemian curly wig. This hair is super light, flowy, soft. It's a 5x5 closure lace wig and it's pre-plucked. I'm just applying a little bit of foundation just so that the lace can match with my skin tone. When I put it on, I was super shocked on how flat this wig is, how flat it's laying on my head. Like, it's gorgeous. Just to give you guys an idea, I am 5'2" and the length of the hair is 22 inches. This is going to be a quick install because I literally have to go out the door and run some errands and get some things done. So we're going to get ready. Since it is a 5x5, you still do have a lot of parting space to part it to the side, the middle. It's perfect. Since the hair is really light and soft, I didn't want to drench the hair with water, so all I used was mousse, and it just gave me the most beautiful bohemian soft curl. I also decided to hot comb it because I don't really like when the hair is covering my face, so I'm kind of giving it a little bit of volume in the front so that you can see my face more. This is the perfect wig to try because it was the easiest and fastest install I ever did. So if you don't have any time, you're in a rush like I am, this is the perfect wig for you. And it looks so natural. I love it so much. And look how cute it looks as a ponytail, like, oh, so adorable. Alright you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. I'll leave all the information, my discount code, you know I already got ya, in the description box. I'll see you guys soon.